Hello friends, welcome back. So in this video, I'll be talking about hemodialysis working model. We also call it as a dialysis working model or hemodialysis machine working model. So first of all, let us understand what is all about dialysis working model or hemodialysis. Why do we require this working model? This machine or working model is really required when the human kidney is getting failed, when human kidney is not able to perform its operation. Then we will be using this hemodialyzer. Then we will be using this hemodialysis working model. Usually the kidney performs the operation of purifying the blood. When that kidney, both the kidneys, when it fails to do its job, then we have to do a dialysis for the human. Otherwise what happens? The human will die. So in order to save the human lives, so this is very crucial equipment in medical field. So now I'm going to demonstrate how this hemodialysis working model really works. So here what we are simulated here is we are used two syringes. One syringe, what we are assumed is this is a human body consisting of a blood. Now when we presses this syringe, what happens is that blood goes to the various process in the hemodialysis equipment, then it brings back the blood to another syringe. That means another syringe is again it's a human body. It's coming back the blood to the human body. Now we are going to demonstrate by pressing one of the syringe. Now once we are pulling the blood from the human body, what it does is it sends to the various equipments. The first equipment here is it maintains the pressure in the blood. That is the first equipment we are using. Here blood pump we are using. Here we are not using any pump here. We are using syringe. Otherwise automatically the blood will get sucked from the human body by using this blood pump. It sends to the dialyzer. So what dialyzer will have here is this dialyzer uses diacylate. What this fresh diacylate is? This is a fresh water plus glucose and other minerals that will be used to filter this blood. And once the filtered which is of waste materials, it will get stored in this area. Once the cleaned blood, it will come back again into this another syringe. So this is the entire process of pulling the blood from the human body, purifying it and sending back to the same human body. This complete process of pulling the blood, purifying the blood, this process completely takes 3 to 4 hours. So that is the entire process. We call it as a hemodialysis. I hope you guys got a clarity what is all about hemodialysis, why it is required, what are its advantages, what are its benefits. I hope you guys really like this video. If you guys really like this video, please click on the like button as well as share it with your friends so that they will also get the benefit out of this video. Thanks for watching this video. Bye for now. Take care.